Okay, so in this video today we are going to be talking about Unit 4 in Microeconomics, Imperfect Competition, and Natural Monopolies being regulated to fair return. Okay, so we're starting off with a unregulated pricing quantity. So that means that you're going to want to dot from where MR equals MC, go up to the demand curve, dot over. That's going to give us our quantity and price, and that is going to be for unregulated. So this pink color means it's unregulated by the government. So then, to get it to fair returns, which is what the government is going to want to do, so that means that the government is going to make it to where average total cost hits the demand curve. So you're going to want to dot here down, and this is going to be the fair return. So the quantity, I'm going to put in FR, which stands for fair return, so the quantity and fair return. And you're going to dot over, and that's going to be your price and fair return. There's F. Okay, so because you're making this in fair return, you're going to end up with zero profit because your total cost is equal to your total revenue, which would be this whole box here. That's your total cost and total revenue box. And originally, if it was unregulated, you would have profit, which would be up here in this little box here. But because your chart moves down, like your lines move down when the government comes in to make it fair return, your new line is here, and so you lose this little box of profit when it becomes fair return, and so you end up with zero profit because your average total cost curve comes in, and then you have your total cost equals your total revenue, which gives you zero profit. And that is how a natural monopoly is regulated into fair return.